I also tested it on my lips. I did brush my teeth after, so most of it is gone, but there is still a little bit left. Hi guys, today we are talking about the newly formulated Milk Makeup Cream Blushes. These are a lip and cheek multi-use cream stick, and I have both the satin and the matte finishes here. So I have the shade Wisp. This is the matte shade. You'll see me playing around with it in the demo. But this is the shade Wisp. And here it is swatched. So I swatched them probably about an hour ago. Here it is swatched. It has faded slightly. I haven't messed with it at all. I wanted to see, you know, what it would look like set down. And it did set after a while, but it did fade a little bit. So keep that in mind. But I do like how it set down. And it did, I feel, give me a blurring effect. So that is the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Multi-Use Cream Stick in the matte finish. I also tested it on my lips. I did brush my teeth after, so most of it is gone. But there is still a little bit left. It did set down pretty matte. So if you have, you know, fine lines in your lips, keep that in mind. But it did feel pretty plush and I would say like smooth going on. Like it glided on my lips really well. So, and then this is the shade. The satin shade I have is Cork. And there's the swatch on the top, and then there it is in the component. And then again, there's the swatch right there that I tested in the demo, and this one, the matte one, set down a lot better than this one. I still feel is a little bit tacky on my skin. I love the color, but again, it did fade a little bit and it's not quite set down yet. And I did these swatches at the same time. So keep that in mind. You'll want to set it probably with a powder blush to keep it, to keep its longevity. But overall, I'm really happy with how natural these looked. I tested it with both a brush and like applying to a brush and then my cheek, and then I also tested it by, you know, swiping it on, and I actually liked swiping it on better than applying with the brush. So that makes it like a very easy application. And really good, nice sized little component there that you can, you know, travel with, take along with you, put in your purse, and use kind of like as a multi-purpose lip and cheek color. So let's answer some questions. As far as the longevity, you know, this, again, I said this is probably about an hour of wear now, and it has faded, but it's still there. You can apply it with a brush or straight to your cheek, and I would say the color that I achieved applying straight to my cheek was better and more impactful than the color that I got from applying it with a brush and then to my cheek. Okay, so it's definitely a buildable blush. The matte one did blur my pores, and then this one did, the satin one did give like a radiance, a dewiness to my cheek. I really love the look that I got. It was just a very natural look. It doesn't really, I mean, it looks like I have something on my cheeks, but it doesn't look like I necessarily put blush on. So, and that's how I like my makeup to look. I like it to look like I'm not like, is she wearing makeup? Is she just glowing from within? You know, is she just flushed from the sun, or, you know, what have you? So, this is definitely the look I am trying to achieve, and I got it with this. So, and again, this is the new formula. I don't know what the difference is between the old formula and the new formula, because I don't have the old formula, but this is the newer formulation. I think that's all the questions. I hope you like yours, and maybe you'll maybe I'll get other colors and play around and see if we can get some different kind of looks. But I'm happy with these so far, and I hope you like them.